Have you noticed that AI video tools keep getting more powerful, but also more complicated? Today, we're testing Domo AI, an AI creation platform that's focused on making image and video generation simple enough for beginners while still powerful enough for professional creators. We'll generate images, animate them into cinematic videos, create talking avatars, transform videos into anime, and compare the results against competitors like Kling, Runway, and Pika. Let's jump in. Domo AI combines image generation, video generation, AI avatars, video stylization, and editing tools into a single platform. The biggest recent update is Seedance 2.0. This is Domo AI's newest image-to-video model. The idea is simple. Upload a single image, and Domo AI transforms it into a cinematic video clip complete with motion, camera movement, atmosphere, and even generated sound. Instead of bouncing between multiple AI tools, everything happens in one workflow. The biggest question is, can Domo AI actually replace several AI tools at once? Let's test it. I will start with image generation. I'm using Domo AI's GPT Image 2.0 model. I simply enter my prompt, a cinematic anime warrior standing on a neon-lit rooftop in Tokyo at night. Glowing blue katana, wind-blown hair, ultra-detailed anime style, dramatic lighting, rain reflections, masterpiece quality. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Choose 4K resolution and click Generate. The image generation starts immediately. After a few moments, the image is ready. You can see the generated image here, along with the final results. Look at the details in the hair, lighting, reflections, and especially the consistency of the character design. One area where many image generators struggle is text rendering, but Domo AI has significantly improved this with GPT Image 2.0. Let's generate another image. A powerful female mage controlling cosmic energy, floating above an ancient ruined temple, celestial particles, fantasy art, highly detailed, volumetric lighting, epic atmosphere, concept art, and click Generate. The GPT Image 2 model delivers high-quality, detailed images that closely follow the prompt. The generated result features excellent clarity, realistic visuals, and impressive creativity, making it suitable for professional and creative projects. The reason this matters is that we're not stopping at image generation. We're about to animate these images. Seedance 2.0 Image to Video. This is Domo AI's newest and arguably most exciting feature. Seedance 2.0 turns static images into cinematic videos. I'm taking the anime warrior image we just created and converting it directly into a video. No downloads, no re-uploads, everything stays inside Domo AI. Choose Seedance 2.0 model and enter the prompt. Now, select your preferred ratio, resolution, duration, and audio settings, then click Generate. The AI will start creating your video right away. After a few minutes, the video will be ready. Let's play it and see how the final result turned out. Look at the camera movement. The character remains consistent while gaining realistic motion. Now let's test something more cinematic. Dynamic camera orbit around the subject, synchronized rhythmic movement, colorful neon lights pulsing to the beat, cinematic smoke, energetic music, video aesthetic. One feature that really stands out is generated scene audio. You can create visual motion and atmosphere while also generating matching sounds. This is particularly useful for music videos, anime edits, social media content, storytelling scenes, product commercials. Let's test a product commercial. I uploaded a product image and entered the prompt: smooth camera dolly, around product, luxury commercial style, soft studio lighting transitions, elegant reflections, premium advertising look. Now, select your preferred ratio, resolution, duration, and audio settings, then click Generate. Here is your product commercial video. This quality is why many creators are now using Domo AI for AI-generated advertisements. Talking Avatar. Now let's bring a character to life. Talking Avatar allows you to turn portraits or videos into speaking characters. I'll use a fantasy character. Next, upload your audio file. If you don't have one, you can generate audio directly using the built-in text-to-speech feature. Simply choose a voice from the available options, enter your script, and click Generate. In a few moments, your voiceover will be ready. Once the audio is generated, save it to your assets library. Then, return to the avatar creation page and select the audio from your assets. You can also add additional prompts to customize the avatar's appearance, expressions, or style. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio and video duration, then click Generate to start creating your talking avatar. The process may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, your avatar video will be ready. Let's play it and see the final results.
Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce a new generation of AI creativity tools. These tools help creators transform ideas into videos fast.
The generated avatar looks realistic, with natural lip syncing and smooth facial expressions. The voice matches the character well, creating an engaging and professional-looking talking avatar video. After testing everything, here's where Domo AI stands. Best for anime creators, original characters, AI music videos, content creators, social media production, beginners. I think its biggest strength isn't any single feature. It's the ecosystem: image generation, image to video to video, talking avatars, upscaling. Everything works together. If you're a creator looking for a simpler AI video workflow, Domo AI is definitely worth trying. Check the link in the description to test Domo AI yourself and let me know which feature impressed you most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.